Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having an amazing Friday. Yay, it's the weekend. So, first, again, welcome. My name is Nikki. If you are new, I'm so happy you are here. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy subscription box unboxings. We do everything from beauty, lifestyle, home decor, to jewelry, and just a little bit of everything. Also, guys, I am super pumped because we have a brand new subscription. It is the American Influencer Awards. It's the beauty bundle. What is so awesome, first of all, it is a bi-monthly subscription, so it is $34 every other month. But because it's an influencer, it is literally curated and the products are from a different influencer each time. And I think that is so amazing. So the box is all sparkly and gorgeous, and I can't wait to get in here and see what we got. So I will put a link down below. All the information will be down below in the description box. Also look in the description box for our active giveaways. We have a couple right now, including the Tati palette and the Trend Mood box giveaway. So definitely check those out. All right, so when you open it up, this is how it looks. And it says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. Love that. And the card on top here, the influencer this time, and forgive me if I'm saying her name incorrectly, but I believe it is Sadia Slayy. And it says, hey Slayer, I'm so excited to finally share my creations with you. It all started with just some ideas, and then those ideas became the products you see before you. The whole process has truly been a dream come true, and I can't wait to see the looks you're going to create using my AIA beauty products. So that's, again, American Influencer Awards. Thank you for supporting me. I couldn't have done it without you. Don't forget to wear your crown while creating, and make sure to tag me in your post so I don't miss it. So there she is. She is stunning. And then I like that on the back here, we do have the products as well as pricing. So yay. All right, so we take that back and then we see what looks like our first product. And it is in a nice little bag. Oh my gosh, this is just like the cutest thing ever. So it is a like spa headband, you know, when you're doing your makeup or sheet mask or whatever. But it has the sparkly pink crown. I think this is just so adorable. And it is super soft. So I am definitely glad to have another one of these headbands to add to my collection, and I'll rock my crown too. So awesome. All right, so this says crown headband, white plush, 100% cotton with a sparkly pink crown detail, $18. So there is that. And then, oh, we have some brushes. These are premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. So they are right here. And let's see. Love getting brushes. You can never have too many brushes. They don't want to come out. They're happy in their package. There we go. All right, so here they are. They are so beautiful. They feel nice too. They have little rhinestones. Oh, y'all, these do feel really, oh, I like these. Okay. Uniquely cut for precise application for pressed powders and glitter. This is a $20 value, so $10 a brush. That's definitely reasonable. And again, just to give you guys a better look, and like I said, they're really soft, but they're dense at the same time, and that is how I really like my eye brushes. So yay. All right, and then we have, oh, this looks like a lip gloss or a liquid lip. Let me get the plastic off. Okay, so plastic is off, and there is, so it's definitely a nude, but you guys look at this top. Is that not just like bougie and just, yes. All right, so this is a liquid lip. It's a highly pigmented, clean application, moisturizing and long lasting. And this is a $16 value. So let's do a little swatch. I'm loving this cap. I know sometimes you have to shake up liquid lips, so I just want to make sure this is. So it does have a regular doe foot applicator. Oh, that is a very pretty nude. It's almost like a dusty rose nude. Very, very pretty. I love that. All right, and then we have, this is the AIA, so the American Influencer Awards eyeliner, smudge proof, vegan, and waterproof. Features a felt tip. This is $18. It is a black liquid liner. So there you have that. I'm gonna put this to the side for a giveaway just because I have eyeliners out the wazoo. So it does have the little thing, you can shake it. So this will be in a future giveaway, so look out for that. Let's see what else. All right, so that's everything. I love how they packaged the box too. I really like that. All right, so we have this right here. It says Insta Famous. Eyeshadow palette in 6 shades. Oh, okay. All right, so we'll take it out. There we go. So the inner packaging is the same. And it lifts open like that. It says, "Hey Slayers, I wanted to create something super original. After all, originality is all you really need to be Insta famous." And let's see, so we have 3 shimmer shades, like pressed shimmers. And then it looks like we have, yep, we have 3 loose glitter pigments. So we have Influencer, hashtag ad, and Swipe Up. I love that. That's like a really pretty rose gold. And then we also have Stuck Up Glue, vegan glue fortified with vitamin E for your loose glitters. It's $12. So that is right here. So that is nice that since there are glitters in here, there is a glitter glue included. I really do appreciate that. And then we have Verified, which is this like light pink, very pretty. And then Unfollow, which is kind of a goldish, or a gold, very pretty. And Clickbait, which is a super fun looking silver where you can see it's picking up different colors. Love it. All right, so let's swatch these 3 right here. Oh, wow. They feel amazing. So there they are. Y'all, look at that. That is phenomenal. Like, what? And the palette, the Insta Famous palette, customized highly pigmented shadows and complementary high shine glitters, is $38. So, wow. This, I think, was absolutely amazing. I do like how the liquid lip dried down, so there's nothing transferring. That is very nice. So I will go ahead and add up everything here and put down here at the bottom the total value of this box. Again, it's $34. It is every other month, so it's a bi-monthly subscription. And we do know that, or this is the first box, and this is like the December, January. So they will have another one coming out in February with a different influencer curating that box. So I'm definitely excited to see that one. And like I said, I will put all of the information for you guys down below. Let me know what your favorite item was. I am stoked about brushes. I love brushes. I really like the liquid lip. I think it is a gorgeous color. The shadows are gorgeous. The headband, though, is like, I don't know. Let me know down below what you guys think of the subscription. If you are thinking of getting it, if you have gotten it, just let me know. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a wonderful Friday, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.